Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady and I'm back with my stash countdown video series. So basically, anyone who diamond paints will know that collecting the kits can be just as addictive as working on the kits. So my stash has gotten a bit gigantic. Ideally for me, I'd like to have a smaller stash. So the idea of this series was to try and complete more kits than I actually purchased, to try and get the size of my stash down. I attempted this last year, so we're going to call this the tester one because last year didn't go according to plan. So last year, when I started this stash countdown in June, I completed 17 kits and I bought 35 kits. So that didn't go quite as anticipated. So this year we're starting fresh. My stash over Christmas has grown to 91 kits, so close to 100. I was so tempted just to keep going till we hit 100 and then do this, but no, we've got to work on saving money. So the idea is, again, complete more than I buy, and maybe if I do complete 10, I will then treat myself to something. Who knows? But the idea is basically the same of we need to complete more than I buy, and if I do buy stuff, I'm going to keep myself accountable and show you guys what I got. So I am on quite a tight budget this year, so hopefully we'll see how this goes. Another fun thing about the stash countdown is you guys get to help me pick what kit I work on. So we are going to spin a wheel decision spinner to see what category we get to choose from, and then you guys can pick which kit I work on next. So let's move on to the decision spinner. Yay, we picked my favourite category. That was complete chance, but wolves and foxes. I absolutely love foxes. Wolves are also a close contender because they look like foxes. So I had trouble narrowing it down, but I picked out 4 fox and wolf kits for you guys to tell me which is your favourite, because I don't know which one to do. So option 1, we have Fox in Wildflowers. This one is by Crystal Creations. It was one of my December Christmas purchases that I made for myself. So this one is a partial 30 by 30 Crystal Creations. It's already mounted on a canvas board. I have had it open just to have a quick look at it. So yeah, this one was quite cheap. I got this one from the range. The shipping was about the same price as the kit, so it worked out really cheap as like a £10 kit. So I thought that was really good value since it's already mounted on a canvas. So that's option 1. It's a round reel kit, 30 by 30 Fox in Wildflowers from Crystal Creations. Option 2 is Fire and Ice by the artist JoJo's Art. This one is a 42 by 62 centimeter, again another round kit. This one gives me super animals in farthingwood vibes, this one, so I love that one too. That's option 2. So option 3 is Daylight by the artist Puffy Gator. Puffy Gator is one of my all-time favorite artists, that's licensed with Diamond Art Club. I love all of her stuff. This one is actually supposed to be a coyote, but for my purposes, I think it looks like a fox, so it's going in the fox category. So yep, that one is option 3. This is a 42 by 50 centimeter round. All right, and finally option 4 is a Night Kitsune by Jeremiah Kettner. This one is a 51 by 64 centimeter round, so it's a lot bigger, and it's very, very different. It's kind of much more cartoony, and that's kind of a rarity for my stash because most of the canvases in my stash are much more realistic-y, whereas this one is very cute and cartoony, and I'm hoping it will work up quite quickly because I think there's a lot of colour blocking in it. So those are your options again. So option 1 was Fox in Wildflowers. Option 2 was Fire and Ice. Option 3, Puffy Gator. And option 4, Night Kitsune. So I always like to pronounce it Night Kitsune. I know that's kind of wrong, but in my brain that's how I've always pronounced it. So yeah, anyway, let me know which of these canvases would you like to see me work on this month or next month or whenever I get around to it. Leave your suggestion in the comments under the video, so we can kind of, it's much more fun when you guys kind of help me out and decide which kit I do. So yeah, which one appeals to you? If you had all of these in your stash, which one would you be tempted to work on first? Or do none of them actually appeal to your kind of art tastes? But I'd be very interested to hear kind of your opinions and thoughts on the artwork and the kits and what you'd like to see me do. So looking forward to hearing your opinions. And I do want to give a massive shout out to Lizette Crafts and Tells, because it was her stash detox which inspired the series last year, because she is trying to work through her entire stash without buying new kits, and it's just been so inspiring watching her accomplish this. It's been fantastic to be on that journey with her. So huge shout out to her. There'll be a link in the video description if you want to check out her stash detox playlist, which is really worth watching. I really enjoy watching that, especially when I feel the urge to purchase a new kit. I go and I restart her playlist from the beginning to go, no, it can be done, you can stay strong. Although this Christmas proved not to be that case for me, but never mind. Going forward, 4 kits to choose from. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye.